Hi, I'm Dr. J, and we're gonna make a cinnamon raisin brioche bread today. It's so delicious and just a few ingredients. So I'm gonna show you how this is done. You all been asking me for this one. It's been coming for a while. So I've got some bread flour here, already measured out 2 cups. I just wanna show you, I like to show you at least 1 cup. You just wanna make sure that you scoop it in. I don't wanna like put my measuring scoop in and because it'll press it down and you'll get more flour than you really want. Just scoop it in just like this at a time, just like that. Okay, and we're just going to even it out just like that, the top of my spoon here, and then that's it. We got our 3 cups. And I'm going to have all the measurements are going to be in the description below for you. I've been so happy to hear that a lot of you guys have been making the breads, and we probably make about 2 loaves a week of different styles. But this has been a big one of ours. It's been a big hit. We love it. Our family loves it. So I hope you all do too. But if you're liking these recipes, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click that bell too, okay? So I've got my little bucket here. Everything's gonna go in, okay? And what you always want to do, you always want to read your manufacturer guide first, but pretty much I think most bread machines are looking for the wet first. So I've got some warm milk, okay, going in, just about a half a cup. Got 3 organic eggs that I beat up just a little bit. That sounds kind of mean, right? Beat up your eggs, but you know, a little bit of unsalted butter. That's 1 stick of butter. Okay, so that's all my wet ingredients. I like to use parchment paper because I can just put everything on there. I can kind of fold it just like this. Just makes it a little bit easier to get everything into my bowl here. Okay, so all the bread flour. So then just all my other dry stuff. So I've got some cane sugar. Okay, I've got some yeast. A little bit of salt. Okay, get it all in there. Because we use unsalted butter, right? I like to control the amount of salt that I use. So, and then some cinnamon. Lots of cinnamon. Okay, going on top there. And then I'm just going to put it in the machine. I'm not going to put my raisins in yet. I do have a little basket that I can put them in, but actually this puffs up so high, it would actually dent my bread. We don't want that. Plus, I'm going to put a little bit more raisins that my little basket will hold. So if you don't, every machine will have like a little alarm that will go off. It's around about a half hour into the cycle. And you'll hear it. You'll hear this a little beep, beep, beep going off, and that's when we're going to add our raisins. Okay? This basket goes in. I love this thing because it's really no fuss, right? It all goes in there. My machine's preset. I have it for a 1.5 pound loaf, and I have it on a medium crust, and it's going to take about 3 hours and 11 minutes. So just like that, we're just going to hit the button, about a half hour, my machine's going to beep. We're going to add these gorgeous raisins. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, this might be a little bit tricky to get this out. It is like puffed up. I could actually see it earlier, like through the glass. I'm like, I think it's going to hit the glass today. This is so beautiful. It might be a little bit tricky me getting this out. So sometimes when it's like this, because I can't, it has a little handle on it that I use this little thing to get it up with. But I might actually just have to put both my hands in there and try to loosen it up. Actually, I might need my husband's help on this one because I'm a little short.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I mean, that's a beauty.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's alive.
I know, seriously. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Glad you're tall. There you go. There we go. Oh my goodness.
All right, I'll let you take over.
All right, this is real, y'all. This is actually happening, right? Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. We love brioche. And it always amazes me how it just puffs up like that. That's why I had to use, like, we have a little bucket that can go in there to release like seeds or raisins, but not with this bread. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it's gonna come right out. Yep. Oh, That's wicked awesome. Beautiful. Look at that. What a beauty. Okay. The hard part now is we have to wait a little bit. We got to let this cool before we can kind of slice into it. I honestly don't know if I can wait that long, but we're going to try. We're going to let it cool for a few minutes, and then Eric and I are going to give it a taste for you. Can't wait, y'all. Okay. We couldn't wait. This is still warm, but look at that. How beautiful. Got to put a little bit of butter, though, right? Butter makes everything a little bit better, I think. I know, right?
That's crazy. It smells good. Look,
Doesn't it smell so good?
You can smell all that.
I don't think you all would be able to wait either if you could smell this kitchen
Yeah.
right now. So good. All right. You gonna split this with me, or do you want your own piece?
No, I'll split it with you.
Okay. All right.
That's a pretty big piece.
It is a big piece. I know. It's like I just had one piece. Okay.
It puffed up more than.
It was crazy. I thought it was really gonna.
I know. Knock it out.
Yeah. Every time we make this, it does the same.
Brioche does
Yeah.
that, yeah.
Okay. For you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
good.
let's do it. That
Oh,
is so good.
I got a big raisin. That's good.
So good. Cinnamon, little sweet, not too sweet. This is so yummy. It's light and fluffy.
It's amazing.
Yeah, you're going to want to make this. I promise you. Okay. So we hope you like this recipe. If you do, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that as well. And click that bell. That way you know when the next videos come out. All right. Good eating, y'all.